안녕하세요. 오투백 한국어입니다. We will go over 100 essential Korean sentence patterns. Don't forget to download the PDF file in the description. Today's expression is 명사에 갑니다. 가다, 갑니다. 가다 means go. So go to somewhere. So this 명사 is place noun. This form used to indicate going to a destination. So before the 에, the place noun is the destination. 학교, school, 학교에 갑니다. 학교에 갑니다. 집, home, 집에 갑니다. 집에 갑니다. 회사, 회사에 갑니다. 회사에 갑니다. 네, 여러분. 오늘 패턴 1개와 예문 3개를 공부했어요. Today, we studied one sentence pattern and 3 example sentences. While remembering what you learned, look at the English sentence below and think of the sentence you studied today. When you are ready, say it out loud. Number 1. Number 2. Number 3. Now, create your own sentence using today's sentence pattern. Leave your sentence in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you. Next pattern is here, and you can learn more Korean grammar here. Thank you.